we are on the NCL Club Balcony Suite we got. If you look here, of course you have to put your key in here in order for your lights and to have electricity. We'll show you the bathroom first. So of course the toilet's there. You have the his and her vanity, which is lovely. And you have this nice big shower, which is definitely bigger than the regular balcony rooms that you may have. Even just, you have a sliding door, which is nice that you come back and forth. Come out here. Also, I just want to show you, you have the buttons to either, hey, hit make up your room, or the do not disturb is right there. You have a lovely mirror right here. Also, when you get the club balcony, you get a lovely free bottle of sparkling wine, 2 bottles of water. My husband's part of the military, so they actually gave us a very nice military package here. And this lovely little military coin, which is very nice. As you can see there, it's the first time getting that. As you can see, you have ottoman here that you can, if you have some late night eats, you can of course put your food here. You can sit here. This comes off. And you can store things down there, of course. So you have that. You have your hair dryer, but this is a lovely vanity. You can put right there. Next is your fridge. Fridge, of course, you have your water, sparkling water in there. Those are extra, but if you have the water service that you can get, you can of course put your nice cold water in there, which is lovely. So it's always nice to have an extra fridge. Come around, you have storage in here and in here. A lovely room service menu that's kept in there. We're actually going to come around here so you can see the closet. This is the one side of the closet. You have all your drawers here. You have a safe. Safe is definitely not big enough for a laptop, but you can put your wallet or jewelry in there, whatever you like. On the other side, you have your hangers, of course. They do have laundry service. I do believe with Club Balcony Suites, you do get 1 bag free. So look into that. Of course, we have a nice little couch here that we have our stuff on. Here's the lovely bed that you get. Of course, 2 twins to make a king. If you have another person that clearly you're not sharing a bed with, they can easily separate them and make it into a twin, 2 twins. You have areas right here for more storage that you can put on both sides. As you can tell, there's not a whole lot of outlet spaces, so I would definitely suggest that you bring like an adapter that has multiple outlets for you to connect to, because there's nothing beside your bed, so everything's going to happen back by the TV that I showed you. Here is our balcony. So you have a light fixture here, of course, for at nighttime, where you can turn it on and off. And we are currently in Port Miami. So here is our balcony that we have. It comes with 2 chairs, of course. There's my lovely husband and a table. And we are about to leave. All right, that's it. That concludes our tour.